Welcome to KNS Biochemistry channel. Hi viewers and subscribers. Today I am going to take you to a place as a picnic spot, and you can very well see about that place. The place is called Pothundi Dam. What is this Pothundi Dam? Where is it located? What are all the things we can able to see there? Everything we are going to see in this video session. So once again I welcome you all to this session. Dear friends, this is the entrance of the Pothundi Dam. There you can see the typical Kerala. Friends, you can see this small children's garden or park, you can say, under the dam, that is Pothundi Dam. Just you can able to have a bird's eye view of this park and the garden. You can see that it's looking very nice. In the background you can see that the climate is very nice and the dam is there. Its view is very beautiful, amazing and fantastic. And this is the path which goes to the entrance of the dam, and from the entrance you can straight away walk on this way. That is, if you enter inside the dam, right side of the dam, this path is there, and you very well you can enter conveniently, and especially if you come with children, it's a very nice place for them. They will enjoy the moment, and a good place to visit. See the fountain. Good place to visit. Friends, just have a plan for a trip and visit this dam. Don't forget to visit it. Good place to visit. See this small, very nice croton like small plants, ornamental plants we can see, and you see that they are placed on both the side of the way. It's very looking nice, fantastic one. The maintenance of this garden and the dam looks very nice. Friends, just I'll tell you, visit this place. Okay, see you again. Just the beneath of this Pothundi Dam, and you can see that very well natural seats are there. I am sitting over there, and it is looking very nice. It's looking very natural also. And this is a small kindergarten park for children. Just you can see that the dam over there. You have a water fountain, and see the dam. Just below the dam, the footpath of the dam, you can able to see this small park. Children are very happily playing over there. See that very happy place for the children. So if you plan anything to Nelliyambadi along with your family and children, and this is a very wonderful and a happy place for the children. It's a small children. You see that a small baby is see that enjoying her. This is not small baby. Small baby is here at this side. This is another baby. She is also playing very well. And these are all the children. They are enjoying it. Friends, this is a garden cafeteria. This is located inside the Pothundi garden. In the background of this cafeteria, you can see that the Pothundi dam. Pothundi dam is the entrance of the dam. And this way, you see that this is the main entrance. You have to come from that end towards this way, and you can able to see that at the front view of the dam. It's a very good view for you. Pothundi Dam. Hello friends, this is a small kindergarten park for small children. On the other side, the background, you can be able to see the dam, the Pothundi Dam, and see that children are enjoying it. If you have anything over there, and you can able to enjoy so many things, and this is the happiest moment for children. So this is a small park only meant for children. That is what the board says. And children are enjoying it. You can able to see the place. Very natural place. You can see that the plant diversity. You see that now you are watching a very tall tree, the pine tree. It's a group of pine trees are there, and they have gone up to the sky, you can say. And under the tall trees, it's a small place. Kindergarten park, children's park. So that children are enjoying it. It's a natural, enjoyable moment for any time, any children you can see. Water fountain, and people are enjoying it. Children are also enjoying it. Even old age people, families, all are joining together and enjoying their moment very well. And these people are really enjoying the situation, enjoying the environment, enjoying the nature, and the dam is also located in a very natural environment. So once again, I remind you that if you plan for any tour, any trip to Nelliyambadi, on the way to Nelliyambadi, don't forget to visit this Pothundi Dam. So this is a very good place on the way to Nelliyambadi, and you can able to enjoy your moment, especially with family and children. See this small child. Please, this small boy is enjoying the nature, enjoying the moment. They are all moving. So this is a place to remember, and if you plan a trip to Nelliyambadi, and it will definitely a memorable trip for you. So that is my suggestion. So how to reach this Nelliyambadi? If you are coming from Tamil Nadu side, you have to come via Chittoor and Nemmara, then to Pothundi, Nelliyambadi. If you are from Kerala side, you can come via Alattur, or from Palakkad side again directly to Nemmara. From Nemmara you can reach this Pothundi Dam, and from that place you can go to Nelliyambadi. So friends, I'm going to see you again in the next place.